Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make the easiest, most delicious chicken thighs you'll ever make. The chicken is so juicy, flavorful, and full of the bone tender. This recipe is so easy to make, you only need a few ingredients. Let's get started. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe, and we're going to season them with some spices including paprika, garlic and onion powder, dried oregano, basil, parsley, salt, and black pepper. These simple spices will give your chicken so much flavor. Make sure the underside of the chicken is very well seasoned, then turn over the chicken and season the skin side as well, very generously. We want to make sure every part of the chicken is well covered in that seasoning. To make the chicken crispy on the outside, we're going to place slices of butter onto each chicken thigh. The butter will melt all over the chicken and add flavor to it. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken into the oven to bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The chicken will make a lot of delicious sauce to enjoy it with. Make sure you baste the chicken very well with all of that delicious sauce. The chicken came out so flavorful and delicious. For such a simple meal, it came out really delicious. The chicken has a little crisp on the skin and the inside is so juicy, tender, and flavorful. It pulls apart very easily. Look at how juicy the inside of the chicken is. It's so soft and tender. The juice from the chicken is so good. This chicken recipe is best served over rice or mashed potatoes. If you guys would like to try this recipe, you can get the written recipe from the description box.